Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lily Kandako Rahengwa, and I'll be taking you through the analysis in machine learning. And the introduction of my topic today is that the dataset contains the information about the individual diagnosed with and without prostate cancers, and we will see in the analysis I did. The first thing I plotted the distribution of the response for this data set, and from the observation, it found that the number of non-cancerous cases were appear to be less than that with the cancerous. For the second one, I used Kruskal-Wallis test statistics. This is because that my data set was not normally distributed. That's why I used the Kruskal-Wallis test statistics. And we see from the first one that it was the highest. And I plotted the top 9 predictors using box plot, and from my explanation I realized that the box plot show a significant curve was the first box plot, which was X21784. The box plot showed a significant curve between the medians and the narrow interquartile range, indicating it may be strong predictor. Then for the second one, I used the tree diagram representation. The tree diagram representation assists to for in decision making. Then I commented on the hex 211290, which is this one, and we see the functions of that is that it's an unbarometric method to determine if there is a significant differences in the medians or of two or more independent groups, and the root variable of decision tree, it indicates a strong influence in the distinguish between the outcomes, and the rest are the implication. I also test on the significant testing, and I also test on the top weakest variable, and these are the output of my box plot. And I also checked on the correlation for the top 9 predictors, and it shows that the dark part shows that there is a positive correlation, highly positive correlation. Then lowly positive correlation, then we have zero correlation, and one is indicates that there is negatively strong negatively correlation. And the other one, I plotted on the Aiken decomposition, and these were the values of the Aiken decomposition, and the ratio of the Aiken values were the Aiken which has the maximum value over the Aiken which has the minimum value. I also plotted the ROC curve, which is the tool in machine learning used for evaluating the performance of the classification. And I found that one hen was the best compared to the rest. And I also use comparative box plot for the test errors, and we see that the whole appear to be in the same range. That means we didn't identify the best model. I also plotted an analysis of variance for the test errors, and there was significant relationship between the test errors since the p value was less than 0.05. I also I also did the mathematical expression for the prediction function, and this was their expression. And this was the confusion matrix which I come up with a ANOVA, and we see that in my ANOVA there was significance because the p value was less than 0.05. And also for the confusion matrix between the training set and the test set, it was simulation like this one. And then for the Harusika, for the five learning machines, it was like I plotted, and I realized that one hen was the best model compared to whole. And that was the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.